Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. As someone that tries to be really consistent with my exercise, and I also do some training with others, I found this book, Strength Training Over 40, to be super helpful. This is by Alana Collins, and as she tells you in the beginning, she's also a personal trainer, and you can really see that the book is well written, it has excellent illustrations, and it even combines a bunch of exercises and puts them into one workout. So you have different options for different weeks, so you can vary what you're doing and get into your exercises. I really also appreciate that the book has plenty of room to write notes. It has entire pages that are blank, so if this is your personal copy, you can definitely add in notes to help yourself and give yourself reminders. It also has beautiful illustrations and nice quotes that will inspire you. I found that this book to be super helpful. I also really appreciate that the book has not only options for gym equipment, but also for things that you can do right at home with bands and weights. If you're looking for a great guideline, this is a great book, but that's just my point of view.